and we've seen some responses to the rising COVID-19 numbers in our area. The city of Atlanta reimposed its mask mandate indoors, and Cobb County just issued an emergency declaration. Tonight, 11 Alive's Joe Ripley takes a look at mask requirements and the impact on business owners.
We were shorthanded during the hardest days.
As Omicron spreads, Frank Reese can feel the effects at his store, Acapella Books.
We lost two full-time, very important employees who weren't sick, but they had to stay away because family members had tested positive and they just couldn't take any chance.
Acapella Books.
His staff is fully vaccinated and boosted, and his store requires masks. But the newest variant of the coronavirus can still break through.
I understand the politics of it, and in other kinds of businesses, I can imagine customers won't be as cooperative, and it puts employees and business owners in a really dangerous, I think, or certainly awkward situation.
Last week, Atlanta Mayor Keisha Lance Bottoms issued an executive order reinstating a citywide indoor mask mandate in response to rising COVID cases. Cobb County Commission Chair Lisa Cupid issued an emergency declaration citing increased stress on local hospitals and COVID testing centers becoming overwhelmed. Cobb is reimposing its mask mandate for county government buildings. Private businesses, the Cobb County School District, and the court complex are all exempt from the mandate, which runs through January 22nd.
I spoke with a business owner here in Cobb County. She tells me she had COVID. It had not impacted her business much, but she told me she would like masks to still remain optional.
Meantime, the city of Decatur's mask mandate has been on the books since March 2020.
We're seeing very, very steep rising cases across the state of Georgia.
Dr. Jody Guest with the Rollins School of Public Health at Emory University would not say why more cities, counties, or businesses wouldn't impose mask mandates, but she and the CDC both say masks are proven to help prevent the spread of COVID-19.
It should follow the numbers. When the numbers come down below a certain level, we take our masks back off when we're out in public, if you're comfortable doing so. But when they go back up, we put them back on.
Frank Reese says he will continue to wear a mask and call for customers to do so as well for as long as it takes.
That was Joe Ripley reporting for us tonight. By the way, Dr. Guest also recommends wearing a surgical mask as opposed to paper or cloth mask. And she says they're more effective in filtering out those particles that could contain the coronavirus. Coming up at 6 o'clock, we're going to hear a legal view on why we don't see more mask mandates.